Sen, kaya nagsusukahan na sila. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Jasper. That's JASBR for jazzyventure vlogs! Where everything's gonna be alright. More loves, more happiness! So magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Sa araw na ito ay magkakaroon na tayo ng panibagong vlog. And itong vlog na ito ay challenge. Ready na ba kayo?
Yes!
And ang challenge na ito ang tinatawag na Pass the Orange Challenge with a twist, syempre. Pero bago yan, ready na ba ang lahat?
Yes!
Yes, so... Syempre, papakilala ko muna sa inyo, guys. Ang mga kasama ko dito. Ayan, so, I'm with... Kayo na papakilala nga?
Shaina. Hi, I'm Regine. I'm Rexy.
Rexy.
Hello, I'm just Cepria.
Yeah!
And of course...
Hi, I'm Justin.
What? So what are the mechanics of this Pass the Orange Challenge? Ayan, simple lamang po. So dahil usong-uso itong Pass the Orange Challenge sa TikTok, so gagawin namin siya dito sa aking vlog. Ipagpapasa-pasa namin yung orange kasi mamaya magkita nyo sa aming sa mga susunod na videos ay magkakaroon ng filter na orange sa aming mga mukha, and kailangan lang namin gawin ay mapasa namin sa iba yung poncan o yung orange. And yung pinaka-last na tao na malagyan ng orange, siya yung talo and siya yung magkakaroon ng punishment. So yun, clear ba?
Yes!
So clear naman ang lahat. So merong ang twist dahil usong-uso din Chubby Bunny before. So i-insert namin siya sa aming punishment. Yes, ito. So, meron tayo dito mga malalaking, ano ba? Yan, malalaking marshmallow. And sa matatalo, maglalagay ng 2 marshmallow sa kanyang bibig na hindi dapat kainin, hindi dapat lunukin. All throughout the game, kailangan meron siyang marshmallow sa kanyang bibig! And of course, yung overall na mananalo naman, kasi magkakaroon tayo ng scoring, ay magre-receive ng cash prize from cash prize. Yeah, cash prize from jazzyventure worth ilan?
1,000!
100 pesos!
Pang sardinas!
Pang tigas! Pang lucky me!
Ayan, so I think everyone is now ready.
Yes!
Ready na ba ang lahat?
Oh
Yes!
And the game begins! Woo! Round 1.
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
Jasper! So punishment! 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 Dalawang marshmallow. Oh, may tao. Round 2.
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
Okay. Dalawa. Okay. Sige, next. Round 3.
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
Oh my God! Richie again! Richie again! Okay! Hindi pwede, masuko siya. So, matira matibay. Kaya ba? Kaya pa, okay! Round 4!
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
Oh, oh my God!
Okay, so fifth round na po tayo, guys. So, ang wala pang tatlo na lang kaming walo. Round 5.
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
Oh,
Okay, dahil hindi na kaya ni Rixie, out na siya. So, 5 na lang kami. Okay, okay. Nagsurong.
Feeling ko ako manggagana dito.
Round 6.
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
oh, oh my God!
Okay. Kita doon lang wala. Oh my God.
Na kami!
Round 7.
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
Oh, oh my God!
Round 8.
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
Tingnan na lang!
Oh my God! Ayun pa ako! Ako yung ito lang wala nito. Okay. Sige, sige.
Ganyan ka una!
Pwede ka na magsuko. Sige, sige. Round 9.
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
Oh my God! Ako pili ka wala na. Ako pili ka wala na. Round 10.
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
Oh, oh my God! Oh.
Gano'n pala nun? Hanggat walang nananalo, we will not stop this. Round 11.
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
Oh, oh my God!
Feeling ko na ko yun, natatag yung 100. Yeah. Magkasuka na.
Final round.
Pass the orange all around, all around, all around. Pass the orange all around. You are it.
Oh, oh my God!
Eh, hindi ako mag... Wait lang.
Ano ako talaga?
Oh my God!
Kaya mong kauno?
Pwede natin kainin lahat, guys. So, congratulations! So yun guys, nagsusukahan na sila.
A few moments later.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. May nanalo na sa ating Pass the Orange Challenge. Ayan, si Reggie. Woo! Dahil so dahil siya makareceive siya ng 100 pesos! So yun nga guys, maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming simpleng challenge. So once again, this is Jasper, that's JSPR for Jazzyventure. Everything's gonna be alright. More loves, more happiness!